If you are planning on going tent camping, there are some essential items that you should bring with you to make your trip more comfortable and enjoyable. Here are some tent camping must haves. Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. We will share with you the news and views about all kind of vehicles and their fancy decorations. Number 1, tent. Obviously, you will need a tent to sleep in. Make sure you choose a tent that is appropriate for the number of people you will be camping with and that it's durable, waterproof, and make sure it's easy to set up. Number 2, sleeping bags. A warm, comfortable sleeping bag is a must have for any tent camping trip. For a good night's sleep, choose a sleeping bag that's appropriate for the weather conditions you will be camping in. Number 3, sleeping pad or air mattress. A sleeping pad or air mattress will help keep you comfortable while sleeping in your tent. It will also provide insulation from the ground. Number 4, camping stove. Unless you plan to eat cold food for the duration of your camping trip, a camping stove will allow you to cook meals and boil water for coffee or tea. Make sure you bring enough fuel for the duration of your trip. Number 5, cookware. Bring a small set of pots and pans as well as utensils, plates and bowls for cooking and eating. Number 6, cooler. A cooler will help keep your food and drinks cold and fresh. Number 7, headlamp or flashlight. You will need a reliable source of light for navigating around the campsite and finding your way to the washroom at night. Number 8, first aid kit. Accidents can happen, so it's always a good idea to have a basic first aid kit on hand. Number 9, insect repellent. Mosquitoes and other insects can be a nuisance, so make sure you bring insect repellent to keep them at bay. Number 10, water bottle or hydration system. Staying hydrated is essential, so make sure you have a water bottle or hydration system that you can refill as needed. Number 11, water filter or purification tablets. If you are camping in an area without access to clean water, you will need a way to purify your drinking water. Number 14, appropriate clothes for the weather. Bringing appropriate clothes for the weather you will be camping in, including warm layers. It's always a good idea to bring some extra layers in case the temperature drops at night and rain gear in case of inclement weather. Number 15, sunscreens. Even if it's cloudy, you can still get sunburn. Don't forget to protect your skin from the sun's harmful rays. So bring sunscreens and apply it regularly. Number 16, navigation tools. Bring a map and compass or GPS device to help you navigate your surroundings. Number 17, trash bags. Always pack out what you pack in. Leave no trace. Bring some trash bags to pack out your garbage and keep the campsite clean. These are just some of the essential items to bring on a tent camping trip. Depending on your specific needs and preferences, you may always want to bring additional gears or equipments. Be sure to always check the weather forecast and research the area you will be camping in to ensure you have everything you need to stay safe and comfortable. Thanks for watching our channel. Hope you enjoy your time. Please don't forget to like, comments and subscribe our channel for more information about vehicles.